So let's start with the process of digestion, how digestion takes place. Students, as soon as we take the first bite of a food, the process of digestion starts. Now we can say that the process of digestion starts in our mouth. So what happens here? In the mouth, the food gets mixed with saliva. Here, the food gets mixed with saliva which is present in our mouth. Now, what is the function? What is basically saliva? Saliva is a liquid that is present inside our mouth. It is a liquid which is present inside our mouth and it is secreted by the salivary glands. Now, where are these salivary glands? You will ask, ma'am, where? They are located at the front of the ears. So we can say that saliva is secreted by salivary gland, and these salivary glands, they are present in front of our ears. So you can see the diagram also which I have sent. You can see where salivary glands are located. So these salivary glands, they secrete saliva and this saliva gets mixed with food. Now what is the function of this saliva? Saliva, it helps to soften the food and chew the food properly. It makes your food soft and easily you are able to chew the food. So the chewed food becomes semi-solid, which becomes very easy to swallow. Now, after mixing with saliva, your food enters your food pipe, which is also known as esophagus. Now, food pipe or esophagus, it is a long tube which is connected to the stomach. It is connected to the stomach. So after the mixing with saliva, your food enters into your food pipe or esophagus, which is a long tube, and after that it enters into the stomach. Now how the food passes from the food pipe to stomach? Basically your food pipe or esophagus, it is made up of muscles. So due to the contraction of muscles, contraction and relaxation of muscles, the food enters into your stomach. Now what happens in a stomach? Before that, what is basically stomach? Stomach is a muscular bag, hollow muscular bag like structure. Here the food gets mixed. Here the food which is in the semi-solid form get mixed with digestive juices. Now these digestive juices, these are present in your stomach. Now what happens here? The digestive juices gets mixed with food and help to break it into further smaller particles. So if we can say your food remains for 3 to 4 hours in your stomach. That is a bag like structure. So your food remains in your stomach for 3 to 4 hours and gets mixed with the digestive juices, and the digestive juices, they help your food to get break down into the smaller particles. Now here the food gets converted into smooth paste. Now here a paste is formed, smooth paste is formed. Now this smooth paste, then it from here, from your stomach, it enters into the small intestine. In small intestine, it further get mixed with the digestive juices. Here also some of the digestive juices are present. So these digestive juices, they get mixed with the smooth paste. And from where this smooth paste comes? It came from your stomach. Now, in your small intestine, complete digestion of food takes place. So we can say that in small intestine, complete digestion takes place. So the complete digestion takes place in your small intestine. After that, the undigested food goes into your large intestine. So in large intestine, undigested food enters, and finally this undigested food is thrown out of the body through anus. Now, as I told you that complete digestion takes place in your small intestine. In your small intestine, small blood vessels are present. These blood vessels, they carry out your digested food to various parts of the body and thus provide energy to the body. So this is about the process of digestion. The food enters the mouth, then food pipe or esophagus, then stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and finally the undigested food is thrown out of the body through anus. So hope you people have understood about the process of digestion.